Guys, today I am going to show you 3 steps that you should add in your process when sourcing that will make you way better at sourcing. This will help you find way more products by doing way less work. And this is what you want, I guess. So this is why you clicked on this video. So let's start right now. The first advice I am going to give you is this. So we are on my computer, and let's say you want to reverse source this product. So this is a product I showed you in one of my last videos, which is a good first step to start reverse sourcing. So when you actually click and you open you search for the product on Google, you may not find the exact same product. So I mean, you may find it, but you may not go with it because the price is too expensive. It's going to be way too high. So for example, we need to get this for under $8. We would only get it for $20 here. Okay, it's not a good product. Now, does that mean that your search ends here? No. You guys are way too surface level. You need to dig way deeper. You need to keep digging. Okay? This is not because this product is too expensive that there's nothing that you can do here. What I suggest you guys to do is to look for all the products that are recommended here, because sometimes, and a lot of times, like I would say that when I reverse source, you guys know I hate reverse sourcing, but I forced myself to do it the last couple of days. And when I reverse sourced in these last couple of days, I realized that, like, to be honest, half of my leads were coming from other products that were recommended on the page. So for example, on this page, you will see a good way to do it, a good way to look for it is like to look at the price that are in greens, because they indicate a sale or a price drop or whatever. So this pair of Adidas socks sells for $12. They usually sells for $20. So it's a good deal. If it's a good deal here, it may be good on Amazon as well if you get it for $12. No, we are not going to check for it right now. But this is the first thing that really helped me personally get better at reverse sourcing, is looking at those other products, keep looking at all the sources. A few other pairs of Adidas socks that may be good on Amazon. Same thing, Nike socks here on Nike that are in promotion. Is not that big of a promotion, but dig deeper. What other products are getting recommended? Keep digging. You will find a lot of products, and to be honest, this is how I find most of my leads. Because the thing that you need to remember is that when you are reverse sourcing, you are basically late to the party. You are 1 to 2 weeks late, because all the other guys found a lot of these deals that were in promotion, either by using tactical arbitrage or manual sourcing, whatever, it doesn't matter. You are late, so most of the deals that you're going to find when you are reverse sourcing are deals that are products, I should say, that used to be on sale, that were on sale probably 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, if these guys use Prep Center, or they are a little bit slow to send their product. So you need to dig deeper to find out the product, and you are going to get recommended products that are profitable on Amazon. So this is the first step, the first advice. Let's move to the second advice. So we are going to take the same product as an example, okay? When you are right here on the page, if you scroll down on most websites, you may have a section like this one. Products you may also like, and this will work specifically if you find the exact same product. Okay, and if it is profitable. Even if it's not profitable, it worked for me a few times. I found a lot of leads this way. So if you scroll down, you will see you may also like section, or people that bought this item also bought this item. So if it's an item that people are actually buying for online arbitrage, you will have a lot of the other items that they bought with it that was in their cart, that these people bought. So the algorithm is going to recommend you those products. So always check and especially if you buy if you source with tactical arbitrage softwares like that, always check down the page for those type of sections. You are going to find a lot of deals this way. A lot. Depending on the website. Now, on this website, I really doubt that. I don't like dealing with hype shoes, and these scores are not really high, but you get what I mean. I never dealt with those on Amazon, but you may be able to find, maybe it is LeBron, I don't know, but you are going to find a lot of deals this way. Same thing, always keep digging deeper. Keep digging, keep digging, keep digging. Do not stay, if you stay at the surface, you are not going to find a lot of leads. The leads are found when you dig deeper. So this is the second way you can dig deeper. Now, the last and third way. If you watch my previous video, I showed you how to find the best, how to find the promotions on Walgreens.com, how to actually source on Walgreens.com. Most guys are really surface level and just check the deals that are on the home page. You need to dig deeper. You need to learn every single website on which you search, on which you source. You will learn their sales cycles. You need to keep digging on Google, on Coupon Cabin, on all the websites you can to find coupons, to find promotion, because sometimes the promotion do not show up on the home page. So same thing, you need to sign up for the newsletter. I know a lot of people are doing this, but it's not enough by itself. You need to sign up for newsletter. You need to sign up for SMS newsletter, for text message, and you need to dig. If you source a lot, if you find a lot of leads, or if you want to learn to source on a new website, you need to dig deep in it. When does the new deals come on? When does the new sales comes? Where can I find coupons? Where can I find the promotion? Is there a page with the promotion, like listing all the promotions that are going on right now on this website? You need to dig deep into the website. And if you do not do it, if you stay surface level with everything that you do when it comes to sourcing, you are going to be trash. So use those 3 advice, apply them to your business today, start making money. And if you want to learn how to actually find profitable online arbitrage products, you want to learn more about that, check out this other video. I'll see you in the next one.